Alright, today I'm going to show you how to add a YouTube clip to your Google Sites. You'll need to do this on the cooking methods. Remember that you have to outline 3 different cooking methods, give some information about it, and you have to link a YouTube to the Google Sites. Okay, so first I'm going to add my text box, and in my text box I am going to write microwaving. I'll put my definition, and I'll write whether it's dry or moist here. Okay, I'm not going to do that because you guys will do that on your own. And then I'm going to drag this little text box so I make it a little bit smaller because I want my video to be right over here. You can put your video wherever. You can put it above, you can put it below, whatever you want to do. Okay, so then I need to find a YouTube that's going to work. So I'm going to click up here, I'm going to go to YouTube, and I'm going to search. Let's see, I want to do microwaving vegetables. And I find this really good video. I go up here. Okay, I can pause that because I don't want to listen to it. I'm going to right click and copy. Then I'm going to go back to my Google Sites. Under Insert, if you scroll down, you've got a lot of different options for things that you can add in. And one of them is YouTube. Click there. You will paste in the web address and it'll pull up your video. Click that and click Select. Okay, and again, it's going to put it down there. If I want to put it up right next to my definition, whoa, go down. I can do that. I just have to, okay, well, I'm having issues today. There we go. I just have to put it right there, just right next to it, so it's in the same little spot. Okay, and that is how you add a YouTube to your Google site.